Greetings, friends. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. You know, I love to read letters from viewers, especially the ones that just reflect upon that topic and enforce it. It's not all just about the shave. There's a lot more that comes after that, how it can change your whole persona. Just a nice shave, feeling smooth, feeling confident. In that vein, I'll read this letter. I won't give his full name, but his initials are GF. And he says, "Hi, Geo. I just wanted to thank you for the many videos. My hat's off. You work tirelessly. I'm pretty new to the wet shaving game. SMH, the amount of money wasted on cartridge shavers. I don't even want to think about it. I hated shaving. I was in the military and just sucked it up for years. Miserable, dry skin, and ingrown hairs. Hated shaving, capital letters, hated. I actually started with the Manscaped Plow 2.0. It offered a fantastic entry into what's become my most anticipated part of my day. LOL, I'll wake up and feel the stubble and smile thinking of the tranquil shave to come. I quickly wanted a closer shave and very much look forward to the shave to come. Every day now. That's what I call it during my shave, when I'm lathering up, the shave to come. I think I got a Merkur barber pole and a Parker 69 CR. Another off-brand, but the Parker seems to suit me well. My skills have come a long way, thanks to your informative and entertaining videos. I've been considering the Feather ASD2, that's the all-stainless version, but worry it may be too mild. As a test run, I bought a Feather adjustable. My work requires I look very well groomed, suit, tie, and professional, as I work in a luxury casino. He actually names the casino, but I will not. Got to respect that privacy. But I can get you close. Remember the movie Ocean's 11, where they robbed the 3 casinos simultaneously? Which ones were they? Do you remember? Bellagio, Mirage, MGM Grand. One of those. I've received more compliments than I ever imagined. Guests have insisted I share my secrets. I usually just smile and say thank you. However, there are some guests I've tried to get on the wet shave swing. It's just a wonderful activity. I mean, I love my shave, but applying all your knowledge has really upped my confidence and upped my professionalism as well. My new shaving has even drawn the attention of many executives in my industry. I've noticed the more I enjoy my shave and simply take my time with myself, the bigger my smile is that day. From pre-shave through post-shave, the entire process, I believe, has had a phenomenally uplifting effect on my demeanor. It's amazing how, when done correctly, a good shave can improve your day in so many remarkable ways. God bless Geo and all the Shave Nation staff. You folks are incredible. Thanks, GF. It's the kind of messages I love to get, and I'm more than happy to read and share with you. So if you want to pick up any shaving supplies so you can feel the way whoops. So if you want to pick up any shaving supplies so that you can feel the way G does, just go to ShaveNation.com, enter what you need in the search box, it'll pop right up. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 600 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit ShaveNation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to ShaveNation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.